What up, what up, what up? So last night we went over a lot of things. Me, Ubu, Osiris, and Atomic Ass, we were all in a chat kind of, or they were in the chat and I joined the chat and I started talking about Windows 7 and my issues with it because DirectX 12 will be released sometime whenever it is, and Windows 7 is not supported, and I'm pretty upset. Osiris was not surprised, and he said this is to be expected, and I had some disagreements with him on it, and he explained to me why, and this is nothing new, which sure it's not, but um, whatever the case is that I've been using Windows 7 for quite a while now, and I'm very happy with Windows 7, and I just do not see a need to go anywhere on my main machine with Windows 7. I mean, leaving Windows 7. So, um, but seeing that DirectX 12 will not be supported on Windows 7, I feel like I'm being forced and pushed out to the next operating system, which for right now is Windows 8, which I will not be going to, or 8.1, whatever. So, Windows 10 preview is out right now, the beta developer preview. So I went ahead last night after Ubu linked me to it, and you'll see in the video of it running on my MacBook Pro. He linked me to it. I downloaded it, which is about almost a 4 gig file for 64-bit, and I went ahead and ran a virtual machine on my MacBook Pro and installed it. So basically, you just go to the Google Chrome, whatever browser you use, right here, download Windows Technical Preview. When you go right here, you'll be prompted, before you install instructions, the usual mumbo jumbo stuff. I went ahead and just installed it from the actual download on my machine, the ISO file. So when you go further down, you get all the links to it. And it took me about 20 minutes to download, maybe a little under 20 minutes. And it works perfect on my virtual machine, and it runs pretty snappy on my MacBook Pro, so you'll see that in the video. And yeah, so that's pretty much that. Now I'm on my MacBook Pro because I'm building my computer right now, and it's not built. So had a talk last night with Osiris and Ubu about this, and Osiris expressed some good views, some good points, and I was just kind of upset because I feel like Windows 7 users are being forced to use Windows 8, and I don't like Windows 8. So Ubu linked me to the Microsoft website where you could download the Windows 10 beta or whatever you want to call it. So I thought I'd download it, install it on a virtual machine, and go from there. So this is VMware Professional. It says Windows 8, but it's actually not Windows 8. So as you can see, it's loading up, and it's actually not bad. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit on my camera. So it's actually not too bad, even on this dual-core MacBook Pro. Things are pretty snappy. Like Osiris says, the UI, Metro UI, is probably still here. It's just hidden somewhere, but I like it because I got my start menu back, and I'm pretty comfortable. Like, I know what's what. I've been playing around with it since last night. It's not bad. I don't care for a few things right here in the start menu, which I got rid of, like music. People I like because I can connect all my Facebook, Twitter, and Google contacts right here, which I would do if this was on my main machine. Internet Explorer I don't like, I don't use. I would just prefer Google Chrome, but I love the snip tool. I always keep that in my taskbar. The start menu looks nice with the little windows right there. I'm not used to that because, like I said, I am a 7 user. I like the mail. So far, I like the mail. I synced up my Gmail account last night. I didn't like the fact that I had to, like, I was forced in creating an Outlook email last night just to be able to use the mail feature. Calendar's pretty cool. Video, I haven't clicked on video yet. How does this look? Let me see. Okay, so it's not bad. Video, like, see, stuff like this is stuff that I wouldn't really use. Just give it a minute, it's loading up, whatever it's loading up. Video I wouldn't normally use because I'm just not used to having this feature in 7. And I think it looks really cheap and tacky. So I wouldn't even really use this feature. Check back soon. Okay, so this is still the beta, so whatever. Can I close it out? So, like I said, I wouldn't even use this feature. I'm probably going to remove it from the start menu because I have no use for this. I think I froze up. So I am running this on a virtual machine on a dual-core MacBook Pro. There it is. All right, so like I'll just see, I would unpin it from the start because I don't want to use it. So I like Skype. I like OneDrive. I like People. The store I probably wouldn't use. Snipping tool, I definitely use that. And I like right here, my documents, which is right here in the bottom taskbar, which I'm used to using. Shows all your stuff right here. So this is new to me because I'm not a Windows 8 user, so this is all new to me. I'm just learning the whole, getting the feel of it, and I'm pretty comfortable with it. So Osiris was making fun of me last night because he was saying it's amazing how just bringing back a start menu makes us, you know, feel like we're at home on the Windows desktop, which is true. So, whatever. What else did I want to go? Right here in PC settings. This is different for me. I'm not used to PC settings. So, right here you can search for apps. We got network, privacy, update and recovery. But I like PC and devices because you can go right here, which I'm not used to. I had to actually look for this. And you can get access to your Bluetooth, all your devices you're using, and especially PC info, which is something I like to see because I can see my specs. So as you can see, this is Windows Technical Preview. Let me see if I can zoom in right there. Windows Technical Preview, and I'm using Core 2 Duo MacBook Pro. And yeah, so let me zoom out. My camera's acting funny. There we go. Oh, okay. All right. So all around, I mean, it's pretty snappy, runs pretty smooth. I'm pretty sure to run even better on my main machine if I was to run it. And yeah, I feel pretty comfortable with it. Everything's just kind of used to like how it normally is in 7 here at the bottom with the Action Center, networks, volume. So I think I can officially say as of right now, I like it. But things are subject to change because this is the beta or development preview, whatever you want to call it. So things can change. But as of right now, with this version right here, I like it. I still like 7 better, but if I'm forced to leave 7, I can handle using this operating system right here. And I know Cyrus is probably laughing right now because he feels like, oh, you know, we shouldn't have to be forced to, you know, be in using the Microsoft ecosystem and forced to use operating system, which is true, but I'm not a Linux user yet. I'm primarily a Mac user, but I run Windows mainly more so for gaming and a few other things. But that's about it. So I'll exit out of this VM machine. And that's pretty much that. I think I had another one running also. Let me go ahead and check that. Yeah, this one was running. I need to delete this machine. And that's that. I'm back into my Mac OS desktop. So, but yeah, just thought I'd do a quick video on that. And thank you for watching. If you like it, like it. If you dislike it, dislike it. And let me know what you guys think on possibly using the new Windows 10, if you're going to use it, if you're comfortable with Windows 8, if you like Windows 7, just let me know your overall opinion on it. Thank you for watching.